udonthani apartments for rent. You can rent per week. Good holiday apartments, and you have everything supplied, towels and bedding. Downstairs there's a laundry, dry cleaning, and really nice. It's on the 6th floor, so it's nice, and when you open the window, loads and loads of ventilation, so it's really good. The air goes through the apartment, it's nice and cool. And you've got a living area as well, smart TV, and shower suite in the toilet, and washing basin, hot water, microwave, toaster, and a rice cooker, electric kettle, balcony, so you can sit out here, and that's udonthani here. About 2 minutes from Non-Pajak Park. Two air conditioning units, and a small kitchen. I mean, it's that cheap to get Grab to deliver food, but it's no worth to make it. So there's a rice cooker, and just buy maybe a chicken curry or a red curry, a green curry, or maybe something like that, and bring it home, and then just make rice and just eat it. So this one you can rent for a week. It's 599 baht a day. So, and it's got a gym as well, and a nice swimming pool, and it's 7-Eleven downstairs as well for buying small stuff. So.